Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I wanted to share with you today the new kit from Simon Says Stamp. Now, let's be honest. You know, I don't always get the kits. And I wasn't going to get this one, but I missed the cutoff date time by 3 hours. So, here it is. But it's birthday. And it's okay, because the number one card we all make is birthday, and it is cute. So I was fortunate in that respect. So let's take a look and see what's in here. I have not opened it yet. I know that when I checked, because this just came a couple of days ago, and I know when I checked, this kit was still available. There's our candy. No zip bag this time. That kind of makes me sad. But let's see what we got. Well, all right. Birthday Blitz is what it's called. Let me make sure you can see this. Oh yeah, okay. We can bring it down a little bit more so you can see better. Birthday Blitz is what it's called. And it says it is, has the new Simon Says Stamp Ferris wheel die, new Simon Says Party Balloon die, Simon Says Rubber Ducky die. I guess for a baby's birthday that would be cute. Popcorn die. I don't associate popcorn with birthdays, but you know. New birthday sentiment embossing folder. Sentiment strips. Double-sided sheets of simple stories, fun times. Holograph sheet. And cell phone. God, I can't even talk. That is another ongoing situation. Foam strips. So it looks like they've got the rubber ducky. They've got the Ferris wheel here. Cute little pink popcorn container with flowers in it. And then a real popcorn. And then this is a little hill kind of thing with the sun. They made a shaker out of this birthday right here. This cute. This looks like a you know, when you put the letters, cut the letters from the magazines, ransom note. So that's cute. I do love this. Look at this. I love some holograph. And it's a rainbow. So, we got that. Love that. All right, let's see. We got, is this cardstock panels in A2 size. Birthday sentiments in both the black and the white. That should be foldable. What does this card say? September, a month long. Stampin' Party. Join us for Stamptember. Okay. I think that's the one that you have to go fast if you want something. All right. Okay, so let's. All right, here's our strips. Here's our stamp set, and it's huge. Birthday Blitz. Here's to a beautiful birthday. Happy birthday. Love to you on your birthday. Birthday wishes. Hope today is full of love, laughter, and sunshine. Nice big cloud hearts. And this over the hill. I like that. It says, but the hill with a smile. All right. So that is really actually a nice size. Let's see how big this hill is. That is a full 8 inches. So you could put that on a 5x7 card, A2 size card. You could put it on a scrapbook page. So, all right, so we got that. Then we've got the embossing folder, has words, here, easier there. Cake, big wish, amazing, happy birthday, birthday wishes, wow, candles, hugs, you celebrate another year. Incredible, enjoy, smile, fun. So that's a nice one. We've got several die here. So we've got a party balloon. I don't see a string though. But it's nice that it has the little highlight. And then a rubber ducky. And I guess a rubber ducky, it's a good size, and I guess it could be used for, you know, baby shower, baby card, baby's first birthday, shooting gallery at a carnival, popcorn, that's cute, little kernels, and then the Ferris wheel. So while it's a birthday theme, it could be used for all kinds of other things. So it's got a good added value to it. It's not just birthday. So let's put this aside and let's take a look at these. These papers are from where did it say? Simple Stories. All right, so fun times. That's cute with all the little colorful dots on the back. Rainbows, stars. This one says the best. With the blue ribbons. See, it's actually kind of like a carnival type theme instead of birthday, but both, I guess. A little gingham, birthday balloons, or just balloons. This one says, the good life, woohoo, admit one. It's got a photo taken, Ferris wheel, lucky duck, you're awesome, good times. Here's the one that looked like ransom notes. Let's go, attraction, happy time, celebrate, rides, prize, fantastic. Yeah, so this has definitely got a carnival, county fair type theme. Little kind of arrows, fancy arrows, so much fun. These are great for, you know, the mini albums, the pocket albums. That's cool. Stars and stripes in blue. More little like pennant flags. I'm missing one. Let's see what these are. It says Columbus Avenue. They're like bus tickets, maybe? Columbus Avenue line. And then this is more kind of a county fair, jam-packed with love. Enjoy the ride. This right here. Have a really great day. That's cute. I love the red and white stripes. You're the best. Shining bright. Love you a bunch. Hope your day is poppin'. I like that. If it's your birthday, it should be poppin'. And then rainbow pattern on the back. All right, so, I mean, you got a lot of stuff in here. And it's not just birthday, like I said. It's birthday. It's county fair. It's summer. I think this might be part of, it says stamped timber, and I'm wondering if this is going to be part of the a collection. Birthday Blitz. I don't know. But it does kind of feel like a little hodgepodge of stuff, and I'm not a hater on that, actually, because I got a lot of birthday stuff, I got a lot of Christmas stuff. I don't have a lot of, you know, like county fair, that kind of vibe. And you can use a lot of this on different projects and different cards. So for a mistake on my part, I think it's good. And like I said, it's still available. At least it was yesterday when I looked in the kit. And I think you've got, this is kind of cute. I don't have anything like that. I think you got a good assortment of things. So, all right, so that's it. I just wanted to share that with you since it was still available. And, you know, sometimes life gets in the way or it gets busy and we forget. But I'm not hating on it for sure. I like it. I like it a lot. I love this over the hill because I know a lot of people that are over the hill. And I love the size of these. These are pretty nice size. This happy birthday is 4 1/8. So that's pretty big. And this sun is 2 3/4. So you can fill up a lot of A2 size card with this. And I like this. Hope today is full of love, laughter, and sunshine. I mean, that's just a nice general wish. So, all right, so that's it. Simon Says Stamps. This was their August kit that they just shipped, actually. Or maybe it's the, I don't know, it's the current kit. It must be the August kit because we're still in August, so. Which means you probably only have a day left or so if you were interested in it and you haven't picked it up. But if you have picked it up, let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought it was worth the money. Did you order it because for sure you wanted it, or because life got in the way and you didn't hit that pause button? I remembered, I just didn't remember in time. So, All right, so that's it. Let me know in comments what you think. Let me know if you subscribe to their kit on a regular basis, or you just pick and choose which one you want. I don't, well, except for the paper pumpkin, which I choose which one I want. You know, I like the subscriptions where I can pause and I don't have to cancel and then re-up if I want to. I like just to be able to, not today, but yes, next week, you know, next month or whatever. So, all right, so let me know in comments what you think. And that's it. If you're a subscriber, thanks so much for subscribing. I so appreciate it. If you've been thinking about it but you haven't done it yet, it's really easy. Hit that subscribe button. If you want notifications, you can hit the bell and it will let you know when a new video is up. Also, the thumbs up button will that is the like button, and it lets YouTube know that you enjoyed the video, and they will promote it more, which is important for small channels like mine that have no big company sponsors or anything. We don't get the coverage unless our subscribers like videos and stuff. So, and then the sharing button, because sharing is caring, makes it easy if you want to share with a friend. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.